What's up, guys? Today we're showing some love to the GTF. That is Diamond C's premium single car hauler. This one in particular today is special because it was custom ordered in a Larkspur blue. So on the build your own feature on the Diamond C website, there you can have a custom color option and enter whichever color you'd like. So when it comes to your late model colors, have a lot of pearls and multi-stage, paint applications, they're a little harder to match, but in colors that are especially the solids like this, we can get really dang close and complement your car or your truck, the tow vehicle, very well. So again, this is to match a 1957 Chevy car, show car, and not only did he didn't stop with the color, there's a host of other options that we're gonna walk through where he dressed it up to fit his car, but also maybe some other work that he's doing. So standard features on the GTF up front, we have the HD V-tongue box area. So you've got this lid space where you can actually carry something, say to the car show or to the drag strip, or if you're going out riding ATVs, you've got this area to be able to carry maybe a small cooler, a job box, things like that you can tie down, but it also doubles as storage space. So inside, you can put a battery, you can put straps, quarter oil, things like that. You can put in the box and be able to lock it out of the way. It is standard with a drop leg 7K jack, the Demco Easy Latch adjustable coupler. You can see we've got the 3D Diamond C lettering with the model badge. Notice the spare is a two-tone aluminum. So again, when you're hauling something like a show car or a race car and you want to dress it up, you can go with the aluminum wheel option. So another cool option that he chose is the rock shield. Obviously, the nature of it, it's on the front. It keeps all rocks and debris coming off of the tow vehicle from being able to get to his 57 Chevy or whatever toys or cargo that he has on there. Moving to the back of the rock shield, we actually have a winch mount standard. So he did not elect for the Warrior winch package, but the cool thing is we have a universal winch pattern here where you can mount a winch on here to be able to load, say his car ended up not running or he's got a downed vehicle, you can put a winch on there and easily load it. So next we're looking at the max width option that he added to this trailer. I have to imagine when he was building it, he's thinking investment, long-term use of the trailer and making it more versatile. So when you add the max width package, it actually gives you the drive over fenders and it extends the frame from 82 wide, just restricted between the fenders, to now 102 wide to the edge of the fenders, giving you this extra surface to be able to load a wider vehicle, maybe ATVs sideways. Then you've also got your stake pocket holes here for tie down, as well as what I call the smileys for your more hook tie downs for like ATVs and things, like a 1-inch strap you can get right there. So the max width option, again, is kind of that ultimate versatility. It really opens the door for what you can use the GTF to do. Moving back, we're looking at the wheels, tires, and running gear here. You can get another glance at the two-tone aluminum wheels on the ground, how they really contrast and look great with the custom color he chose, but also this one has the 9890 GVWR package. So there's a 7000 GVWR option and a 9890. What that means is he grossed up the GVWR, giving him more payload capacity. So this trailer probably weighs, about, 3,000 pounds. So you got that 9890 GVWR, giving you that 6890 or 7,000 pounds worth of capacity to be able to put on the deck. Moving back to the rear of the trailer, it comes with the max width package and the slide out ramp option. You get the stabilizer drop legs. So these are for if you're going to load something more concentrated in weight. The old car that we talked about, the 57 Chevy, these are probably not necessary, but when you talk about loading, say he's got more of like a hobby tractor that weighs 5,500 or 6,000 pounds, a little more concentrated weight, not a bad idea to deploy the drop leg jacks to help take the stress off the rear of the trailer. Looking at the ramp setup, so the standard ramp on the GTF is a 5 foot long. It is a sheet metal preformed ramp, very strong, high yield strength material. It has the holes punched in it for grip here, and then you have your transition lip. So you got a nice approach angle off the ramp onto the deck. Then lastly, we've got the 4 360-degree tie downs that are standard. So you got 2 back here in the diamond plate dovetail, and then you have 2 at the front. Jump on diamondc.com, check out the GTF. You can build one to fit the lifestyle you live and the fun you want to have. It can go work, it can go play. The choice is yours.